let's just dive right into this explainer. Today, we're totally demystifying the digital product landscape. We're looking at exactly what people are actually opening their wallets for right now. We've got some incredible firsthand insights from creator Travis Nicholson. This guy has sold over 2,000 digital products on Gumroad alone. We're going to crack open the exact blueprints he uses. So if you're wondering what actually converts in 2026, you are in the perfect place. So what's literally possible here? Well, Travis has pulled in over $17,000 in total digital product sales. But actually, the even more impressive part, he brings in about $3,000 a month in purely passive income. I mean, this isn't just theory, right? These are the real-world stakes for building scalable, totally hands-off income in 2026. And that brings us to the golden thread of this whole explainer. Travis honestly says it best. People pay for shortcuts. They want things that are already done for you. Look, whether we're talking about a massive software system or literally just a one-page guide, you've got to understand the core consumer psychology at play here. Buyers aren't just purchasing a digital file. No way. They are buying their own time and convenience back. Okay, to make this super efficient for you, we took all 14 of the specific digital products Travis highlights and chunked them into 5 clear buckets: time-saving templates, education shortcuts, planners and SOPs, the massive AI boom, and finally, how you can actually get started. All right, jumping into section 1, time-saving digital templates, basically done-for-you solutions. For businesses, entrepreneurs, freelancers. Honestly, staring at a blinking cursor on a blank screen is the absolute biggest hurdle. Think about tools we use every single day, like Notion or Canva. They're amazing, highly customizable tools, but because of that, they're also super intimidating. A customized Notion workspace built from scratch is incredibly valuable to someone who doesn't want to learn the whole system. Travis even sells his own Canva templates, the literal exact design layouts he uses to build his other products, so buyers can just plug and play. This category also covers vital business ops, like client onboarding tools, welcome packets, proposal formats, knowing exactly what emails to send new clients. These done-for-you templates sell like crazy because they instantly cure a massive headache. And hey, you really don't need a massive, complex product to win here. For example, a super simple 5-email sequence meant for marketing drip campaigns sells for just $5, but has generated over 264 sales. If you have marketing experience and you've got email sequences that you know already work, that shortcut is literal money in the bank. You're just packaging your past experience as a template. Moving right along to section 2, education and content shortcuts. Content made easy. So the way everyday folks and professionals consume educational content has completely shifted in 2026. The old way of creating a course? That meant locking yourself in a room and filming hours upon hours of exhausting video content. The new way is way smarter. It's ebooks, course handbooks, and text bundles. Travis points to his own 42-page ebook, The Gumroad Growth System, and text-based courses like How to Dominate Twitter. Creators are stuffing screenshots, testimonials, and highly actionable strategies into written bundles that go for $39 to $49. You aren't selling the painful video process anymore. You're just selling the end result. Plus, platforms like Gumroad let creators easily tack on higher-priced, one-on-one coaching right alongside the PDF for anyone who wants a little extra help. And let's be real, social media managers are completely overwhelmed right now. That's exactly why social media shortcuts are absolutely flying off the digital shelves. Travis shared one content calendar template that had over 50,000 sales. That is wild. But even more fascinating are content vaults. These are these massive libraries of pre-made reels and TikToks selling for around $7. Think about how hard it is to actually make a short video. You have to figure out the lighting, set up a camera, edit the clips, sync the audio. It's a lot, right? Buyers are completely bypassing the need to film and make a short video themselves. They just buy the content vault, grab the done-for-you clips, and hit post. It is the ultimate shortcut. All right, section 3, planners, worksheets, and SOPs, organizing life and business. When it comes to giving people mental clarity, getting ultra specific with your niche really pays off. Look at this. A digital ADHD planner priced at just $7 generated over 50,000 sales. Or a $15 fill-in-the-blank anxiety worksheet designed to help folks process their emotions, that sold tens of thousands of copies. Like, these are just simple PDFs, but they're solving very specific, very personal problems. Travis notes these types of yearly and monthly planners absolutely blow up during the January New Year rush when everyone is, desperately trying to get organized. But it isn't just about personal organization, it's business operations too. We're talking SOPs, standard operating procedures. Imagine gathering up all the spreadsheets and Word docs a restaurant uses to manage their staff and track inventory, white labeling the whole shebang, and bundling it into a single digital product. Travis highlights one specific restaurant SOP bundle that hit over 35,000 sales. If you know a business that has its operations dialed in and documented perfectly, packaging that into a digital blueprint is highly, highly lucrative. Okay, Section 4, the AI digital product boom. This is by far the most explosive and scalable category. This is honestly the climax of this explainer. We're looking at the most massively scalable category in 2026. So what exactly is a prompt guide? Basically, it's a digital pack of specific text inputs, usually organized by style or function, designed to get the absolute best results out of AI tools like ChatGPT or MidJourney. Travis's personal favorite product to sell right now is a prompt guide for Suno AI, which is a music generator. He organized the guide by decades and musical styles, essentially teaching people exactly what to type to get incredible music. He took the overwhelming chaos of a blank AI text box and totally organized it for the consumer. And the results from just that one single Suno AI prompt guide? Over $2,000 a month in pure passive income. Whenever a new AI tool drops, there is this massive wave of people who desperately want to use it, but they really don't want to learn the complicated prompt engineering behind it. They will gladly pay you to hand them the exact prompts that work. And then, oh man, we have the million-dollar niche, personalized AI children's books. This went absolutely viral this past Christmas. Creators are taking a standard storybook template and using AI to seamlessly integrate a specific child's custom meme, plus personalized AI-generated images of that child right into the book. Because it's so hyper-personalized, it easily commands a high-ticket price of $40 each, and we are seeing tens of thousands of sales. When you combine that level of personalization with scalable automation, the profit potential is just staggering. Travis even called this his personal favorite niche that he isn't currently in, just because consumer demand is incredibly hot right now. Finally, Section 5, getting started in 2026, the conversion path. So how do you actually get a buyer to look at your digital product in the first place? Well, it all comes down to this conversion path. And this introduces the 14th and final digital product on our list, the lead magnet. Step 1 is simply offering something for free. Maybe it's a swipe file, a welcome form, or even hosting a free digital challenge. Lead magnets are incredibly popular right now because they serve one critical purpose. They prove to the customer that you actually know what you're talking about. You grab their attention by handing them immediate, actionable value up front. Once you've built that trust, Step 3 is naturally upselling them to those higher ticket templates, vaults, and prompt guides we've been talking about. So here we are at the ultimate question. We've seen the hard numbers. We know the exact formats that are selling out there, from Notion templates all the way to AI children's books. But most importantly, we understand the psychology now. Buyers will gladly pay for shortcuts to save themselves time. So looking at your own skills, your past experiences, your everyday workflows, which piece of done-for-you digital real estate are you going to claim and start selling this year? Really think about it. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.